So, this little mandolin was given to me by my brother-in-law George, who was cleaning through the house, and it's apparently was his father's. And I don't think any of us ever heard him play an instrument, so it hasn't been played in decades and decades and decades, maybe 80 years. Who knows? The name of it is The Serenader from B&J, New York. No idea who that would be, but it's a cool little instrument. So yesterday, I replaced the broken strings with some old strings that I had and played it for the first time in maybe 80 or 90 years, who knows. So here's a cool little mandolin for you to hear. It's a nice little instrument. So it's alive. It's alive after many, many, many years of being forgotten about. And welcome to the set of instruments. You're in the group. There it is.